I want to thank the congregation for the Women's Day. I want to tell you a little bit about myself. I want to send a message to all my sisters, especially in Pakistan. I grew up in America, and I was taught to believe that my body was my body. And it's not my body, and I know that today. But before, I used to show myself. And when I say show myself, I would wear short shorts, small tops. And I'm not going to say it was a specific reason I went down the wrong road, but it did not help. I have come very far because of Islam. I used to be a drug addict. I was living homeless in the street. And I then believed my body was my body. It is not my body. It is Allah's body. I cover because I respect myself. I don't have to live the way that I used to live, not caring about myself, truly believing that it was my body, and that was my rationalization for why I would show every part of my body that I should not show. Today I am covered in every aspect, and I love this body that Allah has given me. And because of that, I wear hijab, I cover from head to toe, and I would not change it because I respect myself because of this.